everybody, my name is Stacia and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be doing douyin makeup. I hope I pronounced that right, but basically douyin is Chinese TikTok. I found this picture from Pinterest and today I'm going to be going ahead and recreating that makeup on me on dark skin to see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and use this e.l.f. primer. Now guys, for foundation I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation. Okay guys, now that we have a layer of foundation on, I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows with this eyebrow pen. Now guys, it is time for some concealer, so I'm going to be using this NARS concealer and I'm just going to do some spot touch-ups, you know, brightening up the under eye, etc. Use some pressed powder on my under eyes. I'm going to use this Fit Me shade 330 on my under eyes, and then the rest of my face I'm just going to dust it on to make my whole entire face nice and matte. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the contour. So I'm only actually going to be contouring my nose, and I'm going to be using this Sunlight bronzer. So I guess I should say I'm doing my bronzer. So for the eyeshadow, I actually didn't record a lot of footage of me doing it, but basically I used the silvery blue and this really pretty white to get this color. I'm really happy with it and I hope you guys are happy too. Let me know in the comments, but this is the eyeshadow look. Okay guys, so now that the eyeshadow is done, I went ahead and added eye bags underneath my eyes using this palette, and I used this little brush to go in like that. So here you can see me going in with a lighter shade to highlight the eye bags, and this is literally what makes them pop out. And after that I just use this white pencil over it, and this makes it pop even more. So if you're going to replicate this makeup look, be sure to do that. So now I want to talk about the bottom eyelashes. So I don't have any individual lashes, so it looks like we're going to have to do it ourselves and draw them on. Now it is time for blush, and I'm going to be using this NYX Buttermelt blush because I love this blush. And instead of my usual blush placement right here, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the apples of my cheeks. That is too much. So I think I might have put too much blush. Guys, do not underestimate the power of NYX Buttermelt blush. This is the finished douyin makeup tutorial. I really love how this looks on me. I think this looks great on my skin color. I think this is probably one of my favorite makeup looks I've done on this channel, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as well, and I hope it was helpful. And I hope that you like content like this, and yeah, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.